So, 32 months after ChatGPT first hit the web, OpenAI just flipped the switch on its biggest leap yet, GPT-5, and honestly, the numbers are jaw-dropping. What started with just 1 million early adopters now serves 700 million weekly users, powering study sessions, brainstorms, and those late-night coding marathons. GPT-5, CEO Sam Altman says, feels less like a college tutor and more like an on-call PhD in any domain you choose. Performance spikes across the board, new highs on Swebench for real-world coding, MMU for multimodal reasoning, and AI.me 2025 math. Hallucinations? Down sharply. A revamped safe completion system now gives partial answers or safer redirects instead of those blanket refusals. And reasoning is now elastic. The model decides when to pause and think, delivering depth without any noticeable lag. So, code and build. Live demos have shown GPT-5 scaffolding full-stack apps, fixing open-source issues, and even deploying interactive 3D games, all without any need for human compilation. Voice and vision? Well, natural-sounding voice chat is now rolling out to every user, including the free tier, and it comes with sight, translation, and a handy study mode toggle. In health and research, early partners like Amgen, BBVA, and Oscar Health are saying GPT-5 outperforms specialists in literature review, financial analysis, and clinical reasoning. Physicians have even rated its medical accuracy as the best yet. And for personal memory, if you link your Gmail and Google Calendar, the model can auto-plan your day, flag any unanswered emails, and even draft packing lists based on your travel patterns. There are 3 API SKUs launching today, GPT-5 Mini and Nano, plus a new minimal reasoning flag designed for latency-critical workflows. Context windows have doubled to 400,000 tokens, custom tool calls can now accept free-form DSLs, and verbosity is, well, now a dial you can adjust on demand. Starting now, GPT-5 becomes the default model for free, plus, and pro users, with enterprise and EU rollouts coming next week. API pricing starts at $1.25 per million input tokens, and Mini and Nano trade some power for speed, coming in up to 25 times cheaper. From pocket PhDs to on-demand software factories, GPT-5 isn't just an upgrade. It's OpenAI's clearest stride toward everyday AGI, and it's live today.